Alright, so now we'll assemble the servo to our main XY robot body, and we'll also need this hex wrench from our screw kit. So first we will place the servo on top like this. You can see there's a little notch over here that settles into this notch, 3D printed notch over here. So when you put it in, it should just be well seated, and the wires from the servo should be coming out on this side, on the left side. Next, we'll just take these bolts, these screws, and then just push them through like this. Next, we'll tighten these bolts. So we'll use this adjustable wrench to hold the hex nut in place, and then we can just tighten it from the other side. Okay. So the wrench provides a counter torque basically. So now this is securely attached. Next, we need to insert our linear rail into the slot here. So before you do that, you'll notice that our linear rail has two parts. One is slightly longer than the other side. And here is where our second servo will attach. So when you are putting it in, make sure the longer side is on the same side as the servo here, so we'll put it in this way. So now that it's in, you'll see the shorter side is here and the longer side is on the left side. Now when you're inserting the linear rail, you'll notice once you reattach the 3D printed servo horn onto our servo, it kind of restricts the movement of this linear rail. So before you make this attachment, make sure exactly six teeth are ahead of this surface over here. So this is 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want 6 teeth to be ahead of this plane over here on this side. So once you've done that, just hold it in position, hold the linear rail in position when you insert the servo horn. You don't want to move it from this position. So let's just insert. All right. Slightly more on this side. So yeah, this is the right position. So you'll notice the servo horn kind of locks the rail in the exact position in certain steps, which are corresponding to the teeth here. So we're about six teeth from this surface. And now that we've locked our pushed our servo horn in, we can just screw it back in. We can use the screw to attach the servo horn securely to the servo. Okay. Cool. So now we've securely attached our servo horn and the linear rail to our XY robot body. Next, we will run the code again from our computer to make sure the linear rail is moving as expected. All right, now we will reconnect our servo. So the red goes into the red terminal, black or ground goes in here, and then the white for the control signal from our board. We will then connect our DC power and then connect our board to our computer. Now we will just go back to serial monitor, and then do wait 5 seconds, and then move it to A180. So let's execute that. Great, so it's working. So let's just put it back to the 0 position. You can either do H, which is the home, or you can just do A0. So let's try the H command. H, home. All right, let's string those together and wait 5 seconds and go home. It'll wait 5 seconds and then go home. So success.